The 2024 Range Rover is the ultimate blend of elegance, innovation, and off-road capability. Designed for those who seek luxury without compromise, this SUV offers a refined driving experience with cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort. From its striking exterior design to the meticulously crafted interior, every detail of the 2024 Range Rover speaks of sophistication. The powerful engine options deliver exhilarating performance, while advanced features like terrain response and adaptive cruise control ensure a smooth ride on any terrain. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of modern luxury, featuring premium leather upholstery, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and ambient lighting that enhances every journey. Whether cruising through the city or conquering rugged landscapes, the 2024 Range Rover redefines what it means to drive in style. Experience the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Experience the 2024